Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's guide on manually setting up your M-Pro Mesh Wi-Fi extender. If you're looking to enhance your Wi-Fi coverage and eliminate those frustrating dead zones in your home or office, you're in the right place. Follow these straightforward steps, and let's get your network up and running. Inside the box, you'll find the M-Pro Mesh Wi-Fi extender, a power adapter, and a user manual to guide you through the setup process. Ensure your router is powered on and have its login credentials ready. Once prepared, plug in the extender and let's begin the setup process. Plug the M-Pro Mesh Wi-Fi extender into a power outlet close to your main router to begin the setup process. Give it a moment and wait for the power LED on the extender to light up, indicating that the device is powered on and ready for configuration. Next, grab your smartphone, tablet, or laptop and open the Wi-Fi settings. Look for the default network name, SSID, of the extender and connect to it. You'll find the network name and password on a sticker placed on the extender for easy access. Once connected to the extender's network, open a web browser and enter the extender's default IP address, which is typically provided in the user manual or found on the device itself, like 192.168.0.1. This will direct you to the setup page to begin the configuration. Log into the extender's setup page using the default username and password, which are usually both set to admin. If you're unsure, refer to the user manual for confirmation. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the configuration dashboard to manage your extender settings. From the dashboard, initiate the setup wizard to begin the configuration process. Choose the Wi-Fi network you wish to extend from the list of available networks. When prompted, enter the network password and confirm your selection to proceed with extending your Wi-Fi coverage seamlessly. Next, unplug the extender and move it to a location that's roughly halfway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi coverage. Once positioned, plug it back in and wait for the connection light to turn solid, signaling a successful connection to your router. Finally, test the connection by going to the area with previously weak Wi-Fi coverage and checking the signal strength. You should now notice a significant improvement, with a stronger and more stable connection, ensuring better performance and seamless browsing throughout the area. If you run into any issues or require assistance, our dedicated team of experts is here to help. Don't hesitate to reach out for personalized support and troubleshooting. We're ready to guide you through any challenges you may face. Contact us at 1-323-507-3713 for assistance. And that's a wrap. You've successfully set up your M-Pro Mesh Wi-Fi extender using the manual method. Now, you can enjoy seamless internet coverage across your entire home or office. If this video was helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more useful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.